Hi friends, today let's work on a new tutorial for Logics Web ERP. Today we'll be discussing how to make Lorry Hire note. So in left hand side of your window, you have booking operation under which you have got vehicle hire. Vehicle hire is basically made for truck hired for from the market, not company's own truck. So this is summarized of all the consignments, all the manifests that you load in one truck and the truck. And this is an agreement that you make with the lorry owner for a particular lorry for delivery of goods, for ferrying of goods from point A to B. In this case, simply our document type will come as lorry hire as usual. Let main type remain the same, and then you go to number. The number will be generated on saving, the date will be shown here, and then you have vehicle number. In case you already know the vehicle number, so you can put the vehicle number here, else we have another space where we select the vehicle number for all the manifest already created. All this information will be filled then. So you go to manifest number, you enter the manifest number, or else you press this button get. Here you have the sub window, a pop-up window comes up where ownership you can have all owned or attached or hired, and vehicle number you can put here in case you know that. Otherwise you simply put the date. We'll take a slightly previous date so that we get some data over here. Now you press show. This is in this pop-up you have all the manifests. Those have been created for different vehicles, for different stations, for different delivery stations and booking stations. Here it shows source, the booking station as New Delhi, and destination stations. In this we choose. Here you have truck number also. You click on this left hand side box and press get, and this particular manifest that just it comes on the screen. So you see it here, manifest number NDCN0003 from New Delhi to Mumbai with this information in hand. So if rate value, whether this is paid, to pay or to be billed, and other information also appear on the screen. In this particular thing, you have noticed that vehicle number has come. It's a full truck load. Its owner is this particular person or particular company. It belongs to this particular state, and its PAN number and other information is there. Now this for carrying this load, which has a 1000 weight unit on this. So now you have this information. So how is the base is the how is the rate it calculated? So we take it base as 1, means that is calculated on each unit value, and you have this weight that you can enter, and this is the rate. For example, you put the rate, this 56,000 for 1 unit. So this is the total hire amount that has come here, total hire amount, gross hire amount, other charges, GST on that, and in case there are any charges, taxation charges, and a breakup of the charges would be here. Then you have what amount of advance you are going to give it. For example, you give 10,000 as advance, and if it given by cash, if it is given by card, how much is the total. And here we have a TDS has been deducted, that is tax deduction at source, 560 rupees, based on the rules you have defined in while creating this particular supplier. So what is the tax, to be deducted on that, and what is to be paid to the driver. So you have all these columns here, and total hire amount is this on this net balance to be paid, and this is the amount how this 10,000 is paid payable at New Delhi is payable, and to be paid later, or if it is paid by cash or bank here, can select that, and to be paid to this particular person, and what is total, and you save it. Now you have the total. The net to be paid is 45,440 to be paid at New Delhi, and here you have accounting treatment as well. It goes to which account. This financial accounting posting has been defined in business rule setup, where it says the posting debit account is Lorry Hire expenses and payable at New Delhi, and the balance account is uh, debited or credited in the party's account, that is Mithun account. So all these options are there, and then you have the charges. If there are any other charges to be levied, for example loading charges or unloading charges to be paid to the lorry owner, and there would be vehicle related report details, the PAN number of the company's Aadhaar number, other information, and insurance policy, whatever is required you can enter it. And same way, if the driver is already in your database, so it'll pick it, and it is connected with the lorry. Else, because this is a hired lorry, so you may not always know the driver's details, so you have to put the driver detail when you actually enter this data. And if the lorry has been supplied by a broker, so you have a broker's profile also, the broker's mobile number, PAN number, and how it is accounted for, and some other details, other references, other text fields that you want to do. So this is the lorry hire you have created. And one important thing that you must note, that lorry hire note is created only for the hired vehicle, not for your own company owned vehicle. That goes into tip sheet that we'll be discussing in our next video. And same way, you want to look at this particular screen, how many lorry hire you have created, and you get a list here. And you can, if you want to see a particular lorry hire, you just create it, so it appears on your screen like this, and you can now print it and you can send it to uh, your we select a lorry hire report. We have given some templates, so you can make a template and you can preview it. If the template is already uh, connected with the application, and else it will show a blank screen, and this template can be redefined at the time of implementation of the application. So this is the vehicle hire note that can be printed and sent to the lorry owner. So this is one part, and now we go to the next one. So this is about lorry hire, how to make a lorry hire, and rest we'll discuss in our next video. Thank you very much.